fully automatic forming and cutting incorporated machine. Transmit the PSP foam board, which restores for 2 days to the automatic feeding machine, controlled by electric CCD. Load material automatically after rinsing to forming machine, being heated by the heater box, which has 2 heating positions, and finally reaches forming temperature. Transmitted to the forming area. After forming, transmitted to cutting area for cut. Making a further cut and then store to material feeding plate. After reaching a certain amount, we can deliver them out automatically, pack and send them to the warehouse. At the same time, the waste parts can automatically be rolled. Equipment features. 1. Forming and cutting integrated. The product can be stored directly, and the remaining material can also be collected orderly. Besides energy saving and lower energy consumption, it also greatly reduces the labor force, working area, and time. It adopts PLC character human-computer interface control with high automation to reduce human power and has the function of board display and automatic alarm. Third, loading system adopts electric CCD control, loading automatically. 4. Forming system adopts vacuum forming, air press forming, molding forming, as well as composite forming. It can be used for forming all kinds of hot forming sheet. 5. All the electrical elements, air-powered element, and hydraulic element of the forming system are international brands.